said before, I predicted that flooding this year, and they don't even see what is happening.
Yes, you predicted flood. Yeah,
yes.
That was when we met you early in the year.
Yeah,
there's going to be flood, and the rain now came. It was heavy.
Yes.
In some areas. So
Banana Island, Orosoki, Victoria Island should brace up for more flooding this year, except Bushra is done.
So that the issue of flooding is a very critical issue, because we are so afraid when you get to prediction early in the year that there's going to be flood, and that you said it in December, right? Really, that flood is going to start the year, and that there's going to be heat before the massive rain. So what kind of itutu or sacrifice can these people do, especially people in Banana Island? Because right now we are hearing that some of them.
If you happen to consult me, it's not something we can talk on the air by now. But if they come to me, I will know what to do.
If they come, there will be something. There's something packaged for them.
Yes.
Already.
I don't kill people to do my sacrifice. I don't do anything like this criminal something. No.
But there's a way out, sir, so that the flood will not attack and will not.
Because most of those people will run away. They will leave their house.
Their properties.
Their properties. Look now at Banana Island. Now they are all running away for their property.
Abandoning their properties.
Life is more than property now.